So, you're looking for a used car and you found one from Sturgess, a family-run business since 1897. Let us tell you about why this car is different. It'll just take a minute. To start with, we are selective about the cars we choose to sell. If it doesn't meet our standards, including an HPI and mileage verification check, we won't sell it. So you're already off to a good start. When preparing the car for sale, our team of factory-trained technicians use approved methods and branded quality parts and equipment to ensure the car is prepared to our required standards. Minor damage to the body or wheels are rectified, and we complete a thorough minimum 120-point mechanical inspection, a full report of which is supplied to you for peace of mind. If needed, the car is serviced in line with its age and mileage, or if it's due within 3 months or 3,000 miles from the date of delivery. Where applicable, it will also come with a minimum of 6 months MOT. What about some of the things you can't see? To start with, all of our cars come with a complimentary warranty and roadside assistance package. If the car isn't covered under the manufacturer warranty, a 6 months warranty is provided free of charge to give you an extensive level of cover should any mechanical issue arise. We also provide roadside assistance, which includes home start, nationwide recovery, and puncture cover. Did we mention complimentary 7-day drive-away insurance? Don't worry, that's free as well. It's all included in the car you choose from Sturgess. When it comes to buying a car, you can do so entirely online with a £100 reservation fee, by paying the full cash price, or you can complete a finance application tailored to you. Alternatively, call and speak to one of the team or visit in person. Part exchanges are welcome and we provide competitive valuations. We offer a 14-day money-back guarantee, and we can even deliver nationwide. When it comes to buying your next car, we make the decision easy. Great quality, great value, and personal service. We've been doing it for over 120 years.